Hi, my name's Shannon Sunday, and I'm going to talk to y'all about why I think marijuana should be legalized in the state of Tennessee. Did you know that over 44% of Tennesseans smoke marijuana? 33% support the legalization of marijuana for medical use only. 33 million people in the U.S. identify as current marijuana users. Marijuana has many different benefits that help with depression, anxiety, and even PTSD. It has also helped people with chronic pain and even individuals with epilepsy. I'm going to dive in the world of cannabis and show you why I think it should be legalized in Tennessee. I'm going to go through what it is, how it affects people in positive ways, and even find testimonies for people suffering from illnesses that are using medical marijuana to help. According to the headsup.org, marijuana can be called cannabis, ganja, bud, weed, and many other names used as slang. So what is weed? Marijuana genuinely grows mainly in tropical and temperate areas around the world. Two of the main components of marijuana are THC and CBD. THC has the psychoactive effects and CBD does not. THC is specifically known for getting you high. You can get cannabis in three main forms, and that is marijuana, hashish, and hash oil. The effects of marijuana, according to the U.S. National Library of Medicine, marijuana has helped with PTSD, anxiety disorder, depression, and even chronic pain. 72% of people who experience PTSD have reported that their nightmares have dramatically decreased after they have either smoked marijuana or ingested it in some type of food or anything. And it has safer alternatives opposed to taking medicine, which can have many, many negative side effects, including headaches, nausea, irritation, problems with chronic pain. According to the University of Washington, 37.8% out of 1,746 patients reported that they used marijuana to relieve anxiety. 16.9% use it to relieve panic attacks, and 55.1% use it to improve relaxation. Depression affects around 16.2 million people living in the U.S., and 6% of that is Tennessee, which means that 972,000 people suffer from depression in Tennessee, which also means that 68,040 people smoke marijuana to help treat their depression. Marijuana has been tested all over the world when it comes to having positive effects against chronic pain and other medical conditions. 62% of people who suffer from chronic pain smoke marijuana to treat the pain. Someone with chronic pain could smoke and almost instantly feel an effect, opposed to taking medication that takes, sometimes 30, 40 minutes to kick in, and also has so many, negative side effects. People all over the country have suffered from different illnesses and medical conditions. They smoke marijuana and ingest it daily to help with their pain and their symptoms. Tracy A. suffers from multiple sclerosis, which is a potentially disabling disease of the brain and the spinal cord. Some of the symptoms can be numbness in your limbs, blurry vision, electric shock sensations that occur with certain neck movements, and problems with bladder. Tracy said that after hearing about medical cannabis, I felt it was a safer option. My pain has consistently went from 10 to 4. Another wonderful thing is that I have not had to deal with negative side effects, not one. Jean G has EDS, and it started when she was at the age of 7 years old, and she was having excruciating pain in her legs and knees. And when she became a teenager, her knees started to completely dislocate. It's a disease that weakens the connective tissues of your body and makes your joints loose and your skin very paper thin to the point of easily bruising. Jean said that medical cannabis has helped treat my pain, my muscle spasms, and my overall physical strength. It's absolutely life-changing. Amy W. was a veteran for 14 years and suffered from chronic pain and PTSD. And after thousands of dollars in treatment, she turned to medical cannabis. She refused to take opioids because she attended a funeral for a woman that she was in the service with who also had chronic pain, who had died in her sleep due to accidental overdose. So she was very scared about taking any kind of medication. She also said that after she found medical cannabis, it was an absolute shocker. It was a life changer. So honestly, with all these medical conditions going around and you seeing how much positive effect that cannabis has had, I don't know why you wouldn't want to legalize it. So